Hello, everybody, and welcome to another What's in the Box. Got a new microphone, testing that out. If it sounds different, we'll see. Let me know how it sounds. Messing around with some lights here, too, trying to get things a little better light-wise in the studio, so things look a little better. But it's janky. It always will be. Trying to figure out the best way to do it. But anyway, got another unboxing. I know some other people have already done it. I saw Scale Model Kit Reviews has theirs up, but I wanted to do one as well. Head on over there. I'll put a link down to his videos below so you can see his unboxing over there. And let's get on to it. Let's see what's in the box. So from Cult TV Man, this box came in the mail last week. And I'm just getting around to it. So again, as always, everything's always packed amazingly over there. Here's the weird thing though. And I don't know if this was for everybody, but the instructions, I got a separate set of instructions outside of the box. And I don't know why until I open this. So, uh-oh. No Cult TV Man sticker? What's going on? There we go. All right, so what's in the box? Let's get the plastic wrap off so that you can actually see it without the reflection. And let's not rip anything. Unwrapping. All right. Still a little shiny. It is a nice glossy box. It feels like a puzzle box, like that sort of feeling, like that kind of glossiness. So we have the Jurassic Park T-Rex plastic model kit, 1/35th scale. And this thing looks cool. This holds a special place in my heart. My first model that I ever painted with an airbrush or used an airbrush on was Horizon's Jurassic Park T-Rex. And it looks terrible by today's standards. I have a I'll find a picture, I'll put it in here somewhere. So I had the idea. I just talked about it. My first thing I ever airbrushed, and it was the Jurassic Park T-Rex. So I ran upstairs and grabbed mine. This is it. You got to start somewhere, right, everybody? So this has survived probably 5 moves. It's fallen off the shelf. It's broke probably in 3 places. And I haven't tried to repaint it because I want to, have this marker in my hobby career, my modeling life, of the first thing I ever used an airbrush on. It was the Horizon Models Jurassic Park T-Rex. So I just wanted to give you an idea. This is what it is. You have that versus what we have now, which is that super detailed plastic kit, which blows this thing away in terms of detail. Now, I thought this was originally taken from molds or something from the Industrial Light and Magic, but I don't know. And the crazy thing I just realized is this thing is probably over 30 years old at this point. And when I was looking at my uncle's Aurora models in the 70s and 80s, this thing is now older than what those were at that time. So I think it's pretty cool. I still got it. I'll probably never get rid of it, never repaint it, let it stay beat up as it is. So just wanted everybody to see where we came from as models. This was like what you got when Jurassic Park originally came out. This is what you had. So somewhere. I never repainted it. It's broken, but I wanted to save it because it was the first thing I ever did. So this T-Rex holds a special place in my heart. It was one of the first things I ever painted as a garage kit way back when. Bought at Don's Hobby World in Glenwood, Illinois. But here we have from X Plus, the brand new plastic model kit, not vinyl. Things have changed quite a bit. And like I said, the instructions came in the box outside of the box. So I don't know what's going on with that. So let's get into what's actually in the box. Nothing on the back. The sides, you get that, and nothing really showing you except on the front what is kind of in there. So let's see what's in this box. It's going to be a little messed up there. All right. So here we have, let's get this off because this is so glossy. All right. Now, first things first. Uh-oh. That's going to be fun putting wires in. Let me just see. Is there instructions in here or they just forgot to put them in there? No, it came with... Okay, I don't understand. All right, so there are instructions in here. in this plastic bag, and it looks almost to be exactly the same. So I don't know if like there was a certain amount that got messed up, and so they just gave you extras in case. But I'm gonna leave this in the plastic wrap so that it kind of stays that way for now. So I'll use this one, but the rest of it I'm gonna unload. So let me start on unboxing things here. Let me get this off so we can see this. Get rid of this. All right, base. So we have a like kind of like brown green mud color plastic base. It's pretty big. Let me hold that up to my head. We're gonna always use my head as scale. So this is about the size of my head, tall wise. Not, I have a giant melon, so that's pretty cool. 1/35 scale. This will be for the wires, I'm assuming, in the back. And gonna just kind of start getting into some of these as well. Plastic bags all over the place. So this is what looks to be, you have the nameplate. Get this kind of out of the way. You have the nameplate, which is really nice. And you have T-Rex parts. Let's get in on the heat. How good is that stuff? Look at that. Come on, focus. It's one thing I hate about this Brio camera. It goes in and out of focus quite a bit. That's my next upgrade. So we have some body parts, some rib areas. Looks like the base of the tail. All right, so we got that screw. So that's 3 sprues. We got this one. Get rid of the bag. All right. I don't know what that is. I have to look at the instructions. But those look like tail pieces, like the underbelly of the tail. Beautiful little piece texture in there. See, like, I don't know if you can... For a plastic kit, this is kind of what I've been wanting for years. When Warhammer can pump out really cool dragons, why can't, you know, they make really good plastic model kits, and here we go. X Plus did it. A really good dino kit. That is... knocking it out of the park. There's a tongue. Tip of the tail. More sprues. More bags. Get rid of that bag. Get this one. More parts. Little the electrode rings up for the fence. More there. More electricity parts. We get some toes. More amazing scale texture. I really like that detail. It's like part of the probably the roof of the mouth is my guess. Wow. You can get right in there. See those teeth. Go. And then this sprue, you got Jeff Goldblum with no head running with his burning stick, his flare. And there's the arm. So that gives you kind of the size of the figure. That's the arm. Fingers are pretty good. It's not, you know, it looks more like a mitten than a hand, but that's okay. It's super small. It's a nice figure though. Here's an idea. Let's put it up here. So you get, there's the figure right there. There's the figure. All right, 2 more packs to open. And these are the beefy parts of the Go Dino. So we got... Oh, it looks like that's like a inner part where the other parts lock onto. That's kind of cool. I didn't think it would be like that. Huh. Let's look at this. More unwrapping. All right, last bag. There you have your legs, your thighs, your T-Rex thighs. Looks like some chicken. All right, so this would go, let me see if I can kind of, this would go there technically, right on top. And it looks like, yeah, they fit into and snap over that body piece, which I did not expect at all. That's kind of strange. Let's see how this one goes. This one would go like right there, it looks like. So that's kind of cool. Engineered very, very well. Very well. So let's get all these parts back in real quick. get the parts back in the box, and then let's look at the instruction sheet. Like always, things aren't fitting the way they should. Oh no, I forgot a piece. I was gonna say, there's one little part. I knew I was missing a part. One more baggie. Bottom jaw. And top jaw. Top of the head. So this goes... I don't want to snap it in there. Don't know if it'll come back out. But that's about the size of the head. It's really nice. Pretty simple. T-Rex. Yeah, I don't want to clamp it. That's cool. Okay. Let's get into the instructions. There's the wire still. Here's the instruction book. Let me back up just a little bit so we can get the whole sheet. So... Part 38. I don't remember seeing these in there. Where are those? Go back. But that's how all the parts fit over. Let me turn off one light. I think this is blowing it out a bit. So that's, see how you fit it, all the parts over? That's how that goes together. So I'm gonna find, where are those? Am I missing something? Oh no, they're right here. They look like, so they look like, I thought they were just sprues. That's them right there, but I missed that. There's the other one. There's one more. At the top with the eyelets, that's that piece. Or not, it goes like this. So that's okay. Not missing them. That's good. I was worried. So great kit. Another home run from X Plus. Their engineering is just top notch lately. To even attempt something like this in plastic probably wouldn't have been like unheard of a few years ago. But I really, really like the way that goes. So what this is for, that one round piece, is if you want to display it with the without the big background and just have the T-Rex by itself. So you don't have to have the whole base in there if you didn't want to do it. But really, really nice stuff. Gives you some tips on how to do the eyes. Look at this. Look what's coming. A Spinosaurus and a Velociraptor. So that's pretty nice. Gives you a painting guide. I love their instructions. Really, really do. Burnt umber, burnt sienna, yellow ochre, ivory, and then black for the eyes. So that's kind of cool. But yeah. So that's it. That's what's in the box. The new T-Rex from X Plus Jurassic Park. Till next time. See you later.